The World Health Organization's European head said Omicron will become the continent's dominant variant in a couple of weeks.
Well, it's already dominant in a couple of countries, like the United Kingdom, Portugal, Denmark. I think it will take maybe a couple of weeks. So yes, I'm very concerned, but there is no reason for panic.
He warned countries to brace for a significant surge in cases. Kluge said the virus could not be eliminated, but could be stabilized, allowing hospitals to handle more cancer and cardiovascular patients.
This virus has surprised us more than once. So I would say, I don't know when it will finish, but I think that we're on track, that our life will normalize next year.
A new study from Denmark suggests that vaccinations likely do not protect against Omicron, even after the third shot. Out of 655 people who tested positive for Omicron, the proportion of unvaccinated, vaccinated, and those with a recent booster is roughly the same as for the whole population. In Belgium, from Sunday, no indoor activities will be allowed except for museum visits, exercise, weddings or funerals, and people can only go shopping alone or with one other person. In Brussels, the spread of Omicron did not cause the public to desert the annual Christmas market.
Well, honestly, I'm not very worried about that. We've had a lot of peaks over the last years, so I'm very sure that our country can handle it, our hospitals can handle it.
In Spain, the government said it will make it compulsory to wear a face mask outdoors again. Indoor mask wearing is already mandatory, but the legal obligation to do so outside was dropped in June. Nearly 80% of Spaniards are vaccinated, but Omicron has sent infection numbers skyrocketing. Intensive care cases remain fairly low compared to previous waves.
I am completely aware of the fatigue and concern over this new wave, and also of the exhaustion provoked by so many months of this pandemic, but we have to trust our strategy.
Madrid's conservative leader, who won a landslide election after promising light touch restrictions, has vowed to keep the hospitality sector open. Eddie Aitken, NTD News.